Hi and welcome to La Forêt French class. In this video, we'll walk you through how to take a test on our LMS smoothly and successfully. Let's get started. First, you have to open your browser and search for La Forét's website, that is frenchclass.in. On the top of the page, you'll see different tabs. One of them is called LMS. Click on that. Now choose the test you want to take and click on Start Now. On the top right corner of the page, you'll find an Enroll Course button. Click on it to continue. Here, fill in your details carefully. Make sure the email you provide is active because important communications will be sent there. Alternatively, you can speed up the process by logging in using your Google account. Next, type in the coupon code provided by the admin team, then click on Checkout to proceed. Now, you'll be directed to the test page where all the instructions are clearly mentioned. Please take a moment to read them carefully before you start the test. For this tutorial, we are going to take an English grammar test. To start the quiz, select the Start Quiz button. All tests are timed and the time limit is displayed on this page, so keep an eye on that. Our LMS supports multiple question types and we'll explain each one. First, multiple choice questions. Read the question carefully and click on the word you think is correct. Next, fill in the blanks. Read the sentence and type in the words you think fits best. For sorting questions, drag and drop the words or phrases from the options above to their matching counterparts in the sentence. For open-ended questions, type your answer in the provided box. Once you finish answering all questions, click on Finish Quiz. To review your answers, click the View Questions button. You'll see which ones were right and which ones were wrong. For open-ended questions, your answers will be reviewed and graded by the faculty later. Next, click Continue to move to the next paper, the speaking test. Please note that each test has a set time limit including preparation and recording time. To start the speaking test, click Start Quiz. Then follow these steps to submit your recording. Before starting with the test, ensure your browser has microphone permission. Allow it if prompted. Click Start Recording when ready. Speak continuously for the time given. Click Stop Recording when done. Make sure to click Submit to upload your recording. Remember, if you don't click Submit, your recording won't be uploaded and you won't earn marks for this part. Now you need to wait for the message that says Audio Upload Successful before clicking the Finish Quiz button. After completing the test, our faculty will assess your performance and provide grades accordingly. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your test and happy learning.